Okay, we're going to make the American Government course, the master copy, a BluePrint course. This will enable you to make changes all in one place throughout, no matter how many copies of the course that you have made. First step is to set up a BluePrint course. You'll go to Settings, then BluePrint course you want to enable, then you want to make sure you locked object by type, and under Assignments, Content and Points, Discussion, Content and Points, and the same down throughout. Then at the very bottom, you want to click Update Course Details. Now the next step is you want to make the BluePrint work across the platforms for the courses that you copy. You want to create a blank shell, and we're just going to call this Teresa. So see, a government. I want to put a code here, and 101, and I'm just going to put the default term 2018 and add course. Okay, now we have Teresa's government course. Now let's go back to the master government course. You see it has the BluePrint button beside it. I'm going to open it. And now you'll see that it's a BluePrint course. You see the little blue here. Now if I click on this open sidebar, the next thing I want to do is to associate this with the course called Teresa Government. So I'm going to click Association, and I'm just going to put in the term, and I'm going to look for Teresa. I'm going to click there to associate. Then I'm going to click Save. And now I will click Done. And next thing you'll see, it's syncing. And now it's going to take a little bit. What it's doing, it's copying this BluePrint course over into the course that I just created called Teresa Government. So you see if you make a course a BluePrint course, if you want to associate with another course, you start with a blank shell of a course. Then as it syncs here, it's copied all the content from that course over into from the master course to the new course. Now it is done. Okay, so in order to make any changes, if you see here, one thing I want you to pay attention to is now you will have to go through and lock when you finish with this, you got to make sure you lock it. So when you lock it or make any changes into the master, you'll always have to go back here and sync it. Okay? You'll always have to go back and sync it. So let's go back to the Teresa course for government. And you see how everything was copied. All right. Right now, all this is unlocked, but you have to do the locking on the master course. So once everything is locked, changes cannot be made on this end. Let me go back to, because you would get something that looks like this, locked content. The teacher would not be able to edit any of this content. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.